Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move inside turn, step across turn. So it's obviously a combination of a first move inside turn and a step across turn. So I'll put links to both of those moves in the description below, so it's easy and quick for you to go back and look at them in case you need to. But jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard inside turn off a first move. So we go back, we come in as we twist the ladies out. The guys step across in front of the lady, so we're stepping across on the left. We're trying to get the lady's elbow in front of her shoulder and her wrist above her elbow. So she's ready to do a return as she walks past our right hand side. We pull with the right hand, we get our right leg out of the way, the lady's going through. Unlike a standard inside turn, we're not coming around to face the lady, because as she starts to go away, we're going to lift the hand and make an archway to do a step across. So we do our step across, but then we turn left and add a turn for the lady. So the lady's been going in a return direction, she gets into a turn direction, and then we'll have a traveling return to finish everything off. So let's do the same thing from this side, and we'll think numbers. So we go back 1, into, prep the inside turn 3, do the return 4, then go through the archway 5, turn the lady 6, out of the way 7, traveling return 8, and back 1. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, first move inside turn with a step across, in, there, twist across, over the lady, over the guy, over the lady, look, all the way through and back. There was just way too many words to say there at the start. So yeah, first move inside turn, step across turn. I hope you like that. I hope you find it useful out in the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we'll stick a music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. Just a clip of a music video link so that you can easily get to a tune to practice this. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.